Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Bitcoin analysis on June 12th. We are currently reviewing the daily time frame. As you can see here, last week we saw that the price dropped down to the daily order block area, and after the price reacted to its long-term ascending trend line, it bounced back up from this zone. Since the beginning of this week, we've seen a mix of risk-taking and risk aversion in the market, with the price moving up and down in response to various news releases centered around Middle East tensions. Yesterday, after the likelihood of a peace agreement between the countries involved in the Middle East conflict increased, we also saw a rise in the price of.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Bitcoin. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of capital from Bitcoin ETF funds. As you can see, over the past month, there has been a continuous outflow of capital from these funds, making this the 5th consecutive week that capital has exited these funds. At the same time, you can see the Fear and Greed Index, which is currently at 17. This index has been in a better position since the beginning of the week, but it still hasn't managed to move out of the extreme fear zone. By analyzing the 4-hour time frame, we can see that after the price reacted to the 50% line of the daily and 4-hour order block, and with limited support, it moved upward from this level. This upward movement was not very strong and placed the price in a range-bound zone. At the moment, as you can see, the price has returned to its weekly open level and is trading around $62,845. In order for us to consider a bullish market structure shift in this range, the price needs to surpass its previous high and close above it. After we see the price break through this range, the 4-hour FPG zone around the price of $65,000 could be the next target for the price. At the same time, we should note that there is still no sign of the downtrend, which the price has been in over the past month, coming to an end, and the midterm sentiment for Bitcoin remains bearish. To make a better prediction, we will examine Bitcoin's liquidity map. As you can see, we can consider the sell-side liquidity to be just below the previous low and around the $62,320 range. As for the main buy-side liquidity, we will focus on the area above the previous highs, specifically around $63,990. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, during the final hours of yesterday and the early hours of today, the price was moving within a range. Then it broke this range to the downside and is now in the process of filling its 1-hour FPG. Given the movement we can observe in this area, if the price encounters strong buyer support after collecting this liquidity, it could move upward from this zone and surpass the buy-side liquidity area. In the second scenario, if no support forms in this area, the price could move down from here toward lower targets such as the previous low and the 1-hour FPG zone. Wishing you success and profitable trades.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.